Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to recover your TikTok account even if you have forgotten your email and password. It happens to best of us, so don't worry, we have got you covered. The first thing you will need to do is open the TikTok app. You can find it on your phone's home screen or in the app drawer. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. It looks like a little person. Now in your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access more options. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. This is where we will begin the account recovery process. Next, choose Account Recovery. It's the option that will help you recover your account without your email and password. Now, TikTok will guide you through the process. You might be asked to provide some informations like your TikTok username, phone number, email, Instagram, or other account details. Just follow the on-screen instructions. So if you recognize your username, click on it and write your username. Here it asks to choose a method to verify your identity. You have two options, either email or Facebook. After filling out the required information, tap Submit to send your request to TikTok support. That's it. You have successfully started the process to recover your TikTok account without needing your email and password. Now all that's left to do is wait for TikTok support team to get in touch with you. Keep an eye on your email or the TikTok apps for updates from TikTok support. They will guide you through the rest of the recovery process. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.